In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a menu in Wix. With so many options out there, Wix makes it quite straightforward to set up a menu for anyone running a restaurant or cafe, allowing you to present your offerings beautifully and professionally. Now let's jump right into the process. To get started, make sure you're inside your Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to customize your site to meet your specific needs. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice an option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this opens up the Wix App Market, an area bustling with useful tools and solutions designed to enhance your website's functionality. Once you're in the app market, search for Wix Restaurants Menus. This is a specialized app just for creating appealing and workable menus on your site. When it appears in the search results, click on it. You'll then see an option to Add to Site. By clicking this, you initiate the integration process. This seamlessly incorporates the Menus app right into your website. After the app has been integrated, you can start customizing how your menu will look to your visitors. Simply click on the menu app itself, and you will see an option for settings. This is your go-to place for personalizing the design and layout of your menu, which allows you to ensure that it matches the overall aesthetics of your restaurant's branding and website design. Once the design aspects are to your liking, let's dive into managing your menu content. To do this, click on the menu element once again, but this time opt for Manage Menus. This will open a new window, leading to your dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your control center, where you can actively start creating and modifying your restaurant's menus. Now let's talk about how to build your menu. Within the Manage Menus section, you're able to start adding different menus to suit the needs of your business. This could include different meal times like breakfast, lunch, or dinner menus, or even separate sections for drinks and specials. By selecting Manage, you can not only create these new menus, but also edit them and even craft detailed sections within those menus. This gives you the freedom to lay out your offerings in a way that's intuitive and appealing for your customers. Remember, a well-organized menu not only saves time for your visitors, but also enhances their experience. Whether you're adding new items, organizing them into categories, or tweaking descriptions and prices, being familiar with this process will ensure your online presence feels polished and professional. By following these steps, you should have a fully operational menu that complements your Wix website beautifully, enabling potential customers to explore what your restaurant offers with ease and style. Thank you for tuning in, and happy menu building.